We don't get too many of these in here at Unique, especially in classics. This one's a 1973 model year Ford Maverick. Two-door coupe, kind of got that drag look as you can see. Weld aluminum wheels. 302 underneath the hood. That's paired up with an automatic with overdrive. And we're going to get around, start it up, check out the interior. We'll pop the hood, let you check out the engine bay. First, let's take a look at the chrome. Blacked out grille and headlight surrounds. Kind of an indigo blue, I guess, if you will. Deep, rich blue. Now, as far as paint on this one, it's not a Trailer Queen paint job. You're going to have to be afraid to drive it, anything like that. This one, get in it, turn the key, go have some fun. Yes, are there some imperfections? It's a little bit of kind of cracking right there in the hood. There's some spots where you're going to see maybe just some imperfections in the clear. But does it have a nice luster, pretty color to it? Absolutely. Take your time looking through the still pictures. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Both side mirrors also blacked out in flat black. That accents the black vinyl interior. Seat belts up front, little aftermarket gauge cluster underneath the dash. Also has an aftermarket stereo system in it that is working with two 6x9s in the rear deck. Kind of look up and down the passenger side here, and you can see the reflection in the paint. Another thing to remember is we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Take a look at the rear chrome bumper, dual exhaust. Be able to see pictures of the trunk, undersides, engine bay, interior. Once again, all those still pictures, UniqueClassicCars.com. Go ahead and take a look from the rear to the front and the driver's side here. Probably close to 100 pictures of this car online, and there you can see the reflection of the wall behind us. It's not that the paint doesn't have a nice shine to it, it's just, like I said, not perfect or a Trailer Queen. One you can get in and drive it. All right, door panels. There is an extra door panel that will be in the trunk too. That was with this car. We'll pass along to the next owner. Was a little wear in the seat back here, where that seam's kind of coming apart a little bit. But as far as the front, did not notice really much for any rips, tears, or holes. About the headliner. Headliner looking good. Well, let's fire up this 302. See how it sounds? We'll check out exactly what's underneath that engine bay. Did have the wipers working. Stereo does power up. I'll have to seek to a station here. But I'll show you that it does work. The 6x9s in the rear are right there. Hope you'd hear that. Stereo is working fine. Top of the dash. Oh, those aftermarket gauges. That was a cold start, so I'd expect that to be down. Voltmeter, oil pressure. Those all working. A little rumble coming out of that 302. There you go. All right, when we get up underneath the hood, I want to let you know it does have aluminum heads and valve covers. Wind intake. Does have a quick fuel power barrel sitting in an all-star performance spacer riser. Also headers, aluminum radiator. So I'm going to go ahead and pause this a second. Just take a look underneath there and you can see. Hey,
Did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
All right, get a quick look at the engine bay. That aluminum radiator. Again, 302 paired up with automatic with overdrive transmission. Aluminum heads, aluminum valve covers, that floor barrel. There you go. One of those cars you get in a classic car hobby without having to break the bank and spend thousands upon thousands of dollars and have some fun. I got that drag car look to it. Ford Maverick, 1973 model year. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video, and the description is going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.